Prompt Engineering Training Session 31. Zero-Shot Chain of Thought. Zero-Shot Chain of Thought, Zero-Shot COT, Prompting 1 is a follow-up to COT Prompting 2, which introduces an incredibly simple zero-shot prompt. They find that by appending the words "let's think step by step" to the end of a question, LLMs are able to generate a chain of thought that answers the question. From this chain of thought, they are able to extract more accurate answers. Technically, the full zero-shot COT process involves two separate prompts/completions. In the below image, the top bubble on the left generates a chain of thought, while the top bubble on the right takes in the output from the first prompt, including the first prompt itself, and extracts the answer from the chain of thought. This second prompt is a self-augmented prompt. Example. Here are a few demos, which only perform reasoning extraction. This first demo shows GPT-3, DaVinci 003, failing a simple math question, while the second demo uses a zero-shot COT prompt and successfully solves the problem. Feel free to enter your OpenAI API key, click Generate, and play around with the examples. Note how much simpler the zero-shot COT prompt is compared to the COT prompt. Prompt. If John has 5 pears, then eats 2, and buys 5 more, then gives 3 to his friend, how many pears does he have? Output. John has 8 pears. Prompt. If John has 5 pears, then eats 2, and buys 5 more, then gives 3 to his friend, how many pears does he have? Let's think step by step. Output. John starts with 5 pears. He eats 2 pears, leaving him with 3 pears. He buys 5 more pears, giving him a total of 8 pears. He gives 3 pears to his friend, leaving him with only 5 pears. Ablations of interest. Kojima et al. Experiment with a number of different zero-shot COT prompts, e.g., let's solve this problem by splitting it into steps, or let's think about this logically, but they find that let's think step by step is most effective for their chosen tasks. Notes. The extraction step often must be task-specific, making zero-shot COT less generalizable than it appears at first. Anecdotally, I found that zero-shot COT-style prompts are sometimes effective in improving the length of completions for generative tasks. For example, consider the standard prompt "write a story about a frog and a mushroom who become friends." Appending the words "let's think step by step" to the end of this prompt leads to a much longer completion. Results. Zero-shot COT was also effective in improving results on arithmetic, common sense, and symbolic reasoning tasks. However, unsurprisingly, it was usually not as effective as COT prompting. An important use case for zero-shot COT is when obtaining few-shot examples for COT prompting is difficult.